All right, we're working through the GPS, leading groups, and it's if you haven't done much with this kind of thing, it could be challenging to find your way through it, and then to lead a bunch of kids to do the same can be even more challenging. So just to help, I thought I'd put this video together to try to walk through the main steps, at least that we use when we're doing our orienteering and things here, as far as using GPS for navigating. The first thing on the right, there's the power, so just press and hold that with your thumb and then it'll power up. It takes a little bit. As I'm doing this, I'm doing it outside, just to help show what the menus are like. It's best to do it outside because right up in this area there's a little receiver that's going to get the satellite signals, and as they start doing, if you go through all the process to find a waypoint and there's no satellites yet, that might confuse the kids too. The main things that we're going to be working with, so we got your main menu. This is in color. The other GPS that all you and the other kids will be using won't be, but the menu will be the same. So you want to get to the where to, sorry about the glare, so that icon, to move your stuff around there, you just push the toggle around, kind of like a joystick, and then you push it down towards the device to select it. So the first thing we want is where to. It's asking us where we want to go, so press down on that, and usually the first one there is waypoints. Sometimes these menus can move around a little bit, but that should be right at the top there, if not the very first one, one of the other ones. But waypoints, so select that, and then hopefully we went through all these to make sure that it just gives you these in order of which one is closest. So they have numbers, so what should be the closest to me right now is number 20, and you can see there it's 68 feet. This number 22 is 69 feet away. Number 23 is 69 feet away. So that just kind of shows the location, and you'll give them a waypoint, and they'll need to kind of scroll through until the one that you're telling them to go to. All right, so you'll say we should go to waypoint 7. All right, there, because that's the one I'm on right now. They would select it, and yours won't have a screen like this. It's going to have a map, but the first thing you need to do is to select go. So you push go, and then you get this weird map. Yours will probably look like a whole map of the United States, and you can't really tell what's going on. Once you've selected go, select the menu, and that's the button on the side here. So I push that menu button. It gives me a first menu just for this map, but I don't want that. I want to go to the main menu. So if I push it again, I get back to my main menu, and then I'm going to select the compass icon, and that is the one that's going to help me navigate. So that shows me where to go. But at this point, it doesn't really, because it has no idea which way I'm facing. And so if I start moving, I'll make a line. So I got to start walking somewhere. As I do that, hopefully the satellite signal picks up and it can kind of tell me the direction that it wants me to go. When you get near to where you're going to go, it'll give you probably a little warning saying that you're close. These things are only so accurate to like within 30 feet on a cloudy day. It might even be a little bit less. So you get close to the waypoint, it's not going to pinpoint you within feet of where you need to be, but you should be able to get close to the waypoint that you're headed towards. So let's say that we got to the waypoint. I'm not going to go walk 0.16 miles. This would be a long video. Then you're all set. That was neat. All right, now back to the main menu, because I gave you that waypoint. We got to go to another one. So you have to push menu twice again to get back to the main menu. You'll push where to. Oops, sorry. Select the where to, and it's asking you, do you want to find another? You don't have to stop the navigation. You can just go right to find another, and it'll continue to give you those options. Select waypoints again, and then you just scroll through. Oh, I want to go to number 1 this time. I push go. Again, I don't like this screen. It doesn't really show me what's happening, so I will push menu twice, move down, select compass, and again start navigating. Hopefully it shows me the direction that I want to go. So according to this one, it's down towards the left, and so if I can make my you see how my arrow just turned? So that is this device realizing which way I'm actually going. So I need to kind of move around here, and now it makes another adjustment because I just turned around. I have a building to my left, so I'd have to go around it to totally go left, but as I keep moving, it will adjust the arrow like a compass. So really you want to follow that arrow to get to the location that you want to be. Brighten up that screen. All right, and here we'll go and see if my arrow made my left, and it's adjusting slowly. There it goes. So I started moving the direction the arrow told me. Now it's left, so it's a little bit of a delay here, and that might probably be for the GPS, and hopefully that helps. Yeah, take a look, watch it a couple times, help yourself through the menu. All right, see ya.